singing, oh, oh, precious, precious these that flows, oh, that makes me white as snow. No, there is no other fountain. I don't know. It's nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Somebody said, well, and what can pick me up whenever I stumble and fall down? I said nothing but the blood of Jesus. And I said one day, well, what can give me strength when sometime this old body get a little weak, Lord? And my mother told me nothing but the blood. And when I heard her say that, I went out looking, trying to find the man. When I found him, I said, oh, precious, precious these that flows, oh, that, do you believe, make me white as snow? And I heard her say, no, there is no other, no fountain that I know. The answer is nothing but the blood